homemade organic waffle mix. Hi everyone, Veronica here, and today I'm back in the daily kitchen sharing with you how I make my homemade organic waffle mix from scratch and how to prepare waffles using this mix. This mix makes 6 whole grain vegan organic waffles from batter with no oil and without eggs required. This mix is super easy to make in batches, so I'm making 3 waffle mixes today. You'll need 3 quart-size plastic bags, a cup measure, a tablespoon measure, a teaspoon measure, a wide mouth funnel, and a large mixing bowl. For ingredients for each waffle mix, you'll need 1 1/2 cups Bob's Red Mill organic whole wheat flour. You'll also need 2 teaspoons of my homemade organic baking powder. Check out the link below to my video showing how to make this from just 3 simple ingredients. I like to use Redmond salt for my baking mixes. You'll need 1/2 teaspoon of this. Next, 2 tablespoons of organic sugar, then 1/4 teaspoon of Bob's Red Mill natural baking soda, and 3 tablespoons organic ground flaxseeds. If you prefer not to refrigerate these mixes, simply add the ground flaxseeds when you prepare waffles with this mix. Then close the bag, mix it around, then open it, press the air out, and seal again. Store these mixes in the refrigerator or pantry for as long as the earliest expiration date on your ingredients. To prepare these waffles, all you'll need to add is 1 3/4 cup reduced fat organic coconut milk. To make these waffles, you'll need 1 homemade organic waffle mix, whisk, batter scooper, large measuring cup, cooling rack, a can of reduced fat coconut milk, and a large mixing bowl, a preheated waffle iron. I use a Cuisinart waffle iron. Empty the organic waffle mix into the mixing bowl. Measure the coconut milk and whisk to mix up any chunks. I want to say a big thank you for watching this meal prep tutorial video. Your views mean a lot to me, and I hope you enjoy learning how to cook with me in my kitchen. I've been a professional chef teaching culinary skills for over 20 years, and I'm excited for the opportunity to teach cooking from my home kitchen through YouTube. So please like this video because it helps my channel grow, and subscribe to get notifications of new meal prep videos, which I share almost every week. Pour coconut milk into the waffle mix and whisk thoroughly to remove any lumps. Scoop the waffle batter into the preheated waffle iron, making 6 waffles in total. Close the waffle iron and cook on medium-high heat until done. Transfer the cooked waffles to a cooling rack and cook remaining waffle batter. These waffles are hearty and delicious. I made these plain, but you can also add 1/2 cup of frozen fruit, mashed banana, nuts, or other flavorings to the batter before cooking. This is much cheaper than purchasing baking mixes from the store with better ingredients. These mixes last a long time in the refrigerator or pantry, and I'll share a link in the description below to my recommended ingredients on Amazon. Nutrition facts for these waffles is available through the Chronometer app. I share a link below in the description. Subscribe for more vegan baking tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!